Hello everybody, welcome back to this week's dessert idea. This week, you guys, we are gonna be making a lemon cream cheese cake. If you've never had it before, try it. So you guys, I picked up for this particular week's dessert a lemon cake mix. I also picked up some cream cheese, if you guys can see that. And it does not have to be this brand if you guys decide to make it. And yeah, and just your normal stuff. I'm not gonna tell you guys how to make it because again, we're just following the box. You can tweak it your way. Instead of using the water, you can use milk. Instead of using the oil, you can use butter. If you would like it to have more of a homemade taste to it. But again, on this channel, I try to keep it simple. Sometimes you guys may see me make a cake from scratch, like the pound cakes and so forth. But most times I like to please all of my viewers. You guys are on all different levels. I know that because you tell me in the comments. So if you guys would like, you could just pick up the box cake mix, or you can use the cake flour and make it from scratch. But a lot of times I like to pick up the box cake mixes and so forth and just add on our yummy extras into it. That way, for those of you who are on beginning levels of baking, cooking, you can, you know, try these recipes as well. Again, I don't tell you guys how to make this stuff because it's simple. It's the box you will follow and just tweak it your way. But what I try to do each week is just give you guys different ideas of some of the different desserts you can make. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Please consider subscribing and be part of AlphaDior's weekly dessert ideas is what I like to tell you guys and just give you guys ideas of different things you can make. So this week, without further ado, I'll make a lemon cream cheese cake. I'm gonna get myself together and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, had to get some light going. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna crack open our mix, okay? I haven't had lemon cake in a while. I was actually in my local store and it was Carter's idea. If you're new to the channel, Carter's my son. It was his idea to make the lemon cake. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our cake mix over into our bowl, like so. Easy, if you guys are wanting to follow along. So we're gonna go ahead and get our cake mix over into the bowl. From there, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our water, like so. Easy, easy, right? Right, you guys can do it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna begin mixing our cake mix. Smells good. You guys like cake, lemon cake, you may love this recipe. So you guys can see that. If you guys are new to the channel, I do have a hand mixer. I just like to use my handy dandy spoon. So for those of you who are here every week, you know I tell you guys I like my spoon because I can get in there and whip it like I want to. With a mixer it's good too. Sometimes I do use that, but yeah, I just rather grab my spoon. So there you have it. That's with the water. We're gonna go ahead and get over our oil. Give me a second, you guys. Let me turn off this. Actually, turn it down. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead in with our oil. And again, like I said, if you guys wanna make it taste more better, you know, you can substitute the oil for butter. Just give it a richer, more richer flavor. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. So yeah, I'm gonna get that mixed up. Our oil, did I just splash some? Yeah. You guys, me and oil is just not my friend. I hate it all over my hands and it just hopped out the bowl on me. Okay, so yeah. All right, we're gonna get that mixed up. In just a second, I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see. Boom, 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 boom. When I'm making this, my kids be like, Mom, why are you using a spoon? You know, don't it make your hands hurt? It does, but I just like my spoon. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and get our eggs cracked over into the batter, like so. One. Mix that a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Most times I like to just crack one egg at a time. I'm used to doing that because that's how I do with my pound cakes. I would crack one egg at a time, okay? And then I'll go in with my other egg. Like so. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. And what you're looking for is that nice creamy texture. For those of you out there who are new, who do not bake a lot, this is a good dessert you guys could try out. Once you're done, you know, that cream cheese with that lemon is just yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up, let you guys see what it's looking like. You guys can see that. Nice creamy consistency. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with our cream cheese. I'm not gonna use the whole block of cream cheese. I'm gonna cut like a little portion of it. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been giving you guys a lot of dessert ideas, but so I'm gonna get like about 2 ounces of this cream cheese. The good thing about this cream cheese, guys, it tells you, it gives you the measurements on here of what you're using. You guys can see that at the bottom. Hope you can see it, you know? Okay, so here we're just gonna get about 2 ounces over into our batter. 2 or 3 ounces. Okay, and we're gonna get that blended up. I'm gonna save some of this cream cheese because I got another dessert that I'm gonna be doing that's gonna require cream cheese as well. So we're not gonna use all of this whole block because we don't really have to. Okay, so if you guys can see that, and we're gonna go ahead and get it mixed over into this batter. If you guys have any dessert ideas that you would like to see me do, drop me a comment, let me know, and we can do it together. Pretty soon we're gonna start doing meals, like different cooking ideas. I've been on a dessert idea streak, and you know, I really love baking, so that's what I've been doing with you guys. But pretty soon we're gonna venture into cooking different things on the channel. Yeah, but like I said, if you guys know something that you want to see me make, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know. I kind of like to keep it in between. Sometimes, you know, a lot of box things, because again, and we could just spice it up, because a lot of times I like to you know, cater to all my viewers. You know, my next idea may be like some type of homemade pound cake. So what we're doing now is we're just spraying our pan with this cooking oil. That way your cake won't stick to your pan. Just want to get a good amount of that on here, because we don't want our cake to stick all over the place. Okay, like so. Boom. You guys can see that. Okay, I'm gonna stir this a little bit more. You guys, my hair is so hot. My wig, okay, it's so hot. Okay, and plus, you guys, I'm cooking like an actual meal in the background, but I had to get my weekly dessert in here so you guys can see what I had up my sleeve for this week. And each week I try to do something different for you guys to see. And again, I'm not teaching you, I'm just giving you guys ideas, okay? Okay, and follow along, you know. All right, so let you guys see that. You guys can see that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now we're gonna get it over into our cake dish. And when this is done, guys, when we take it out of the oven, what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this icing and like drizzle it over the top of our cake. And then we're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it. And if you're cooking it for someone, they will never know. They will never know. If you do it right, they will never know. You nice presentation and a yummy cake. So if you like lemon cake, try this one out. Again, it's a lemon cake with cream cheese. Okay, so we get that batter over into it. And guys, don't be afraid to play with your desserts and put different things in there. You know, people get tired of the same old boring types of things, you know what I'm saying? So on this channel, I just try to spice it up and do a little different things, you know, things that, like last week's, if you guys have not saw the video from last week, go check it out. It's a red velvet cake. You guys know normally the typical red velvet cake is the white buttercream frosting, your nuts on top. But last week, guys, we did something totally different. We did not do the traditional red velvet cake like you would see. I usually do the traditional red velvet cake around the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. But again, no. Every now and then, we want to try something different. You know, who wants the same old boring stuff? So that's not what we do over here. So check out that video, guys. It's a red velvet cake with a chocolate chocolate topping on there. It's different, right? It was good. We loved it here. We loved it. So go check out that video, try it out, drop down in the comments, let me know what you think about that one. But for right now, again, we're making a lemon cream cheesecake. We're gonna go ahead and get this over into the oven. The box is telling us for a bundt cake, 39 to 43 minutes. So I'm gonna stick this into the oven. When I come back, we're gonna go ahead and get our icing melted, and we're gonna drizzle it over our lemon cream cheesecake. I'll be right back. Hey you guys, I am back. Our cake has finally finished. And what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. It smells delicious. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our drizzle on top of it. Give it a little stir. What I did, I just put this in the microwave for a few minutes, and we just drizzle that onto our cake. Yeah, like so. If you guys know, I don't like a lot of icing, so I'm not gonna put as much. If I left it up to Carter and Trinity, they would want the whole thing on there. The whole thing icing, but we're not gonna do that. We're just trying to drizzle some on, you know, and yeah. So easy as that. And again, if you know you're a beginning baker, beginning cook, this stuff is so easy. You know, it does not take a lot to prepare these desserts. It won't take a lot to prepare the meals that I'm gonna show you guys pretty soon. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you aboard. And until next week, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys see that nice drizzle, smells really good. Don't forget to check out the other videos, you guys. Again, go check out the one with the red velvet and chocolate. Until the next video, I will see you guys next week. Be here around 12-ish. I will be dropping the video, 12 or 1, around that time. But again, every Sunday I post. So every Sunday you guys will see a new dessert idea that you guys could try if you would like. Yeah, love you guys. Peace.